Howdy everybody, hope you guys are doing well today on Friday, April 3rd. Wanted to reach out to you guys with this video to let you know that today, since it is Spring Break Eve, which is an awesome day and an awesome feeling to know that we're not going to have to do any schoolwork next week. In honor of that, I do not want to give you guys anything new. I want to treat today as a catch-up day, a work day, whatever you want to call it. For those of you that have caught up, today's a freebie. That's awesome. For those of you that are catching up or have some things that you need to work on, let's use today to do that. You can see here on the screen that if you, if you need help, I'm available. I'm going to be available from 10 to noon. You can reach out to me via email. That's probably the best way. I'm going to be watching that. And let me know what questions you have. If you need help, I can make an instructional video and send it to you to help you out. I don't mind doing that. So keep that in mind. I'm available. I'm here to help out because I want you guys to be able to go into spring break without any worries. Don't want you to be stressing out over school stuff. So I've also made this for you guys that you can use. These are the assignments that we have started since we've been doing this home-based learning. We've had, I guess it's been 5 days, 5 different bell works and 5 separate assignments. So if you can see something on there that you haven't seen before or looks new, let's take today to work on it and get it done. There's instructions set up for you guys that should help out. As you have questions though, from 10 to noon, reach out to me so I can help out. And other than that, have an awesome spring break. I'll see you guys again on, I think it's like April 14th or something like that. It's a long ways away, which is legit. That's cool. Okay, you guys have a good one, and we'll talk to you later.